this is the first part of our training video for Hotel Door Lock system. Today I'm going to show you how to install and set up the software onto your computer. First, you will need to get the software. To get the software, you can either get it from the software CD within the encoder box or download it from our website. To download from the website, you can go to our site jcsmart.com and there is a download link in here. After you get the file, it is in zip file, you will need to extract it to your computer. And after extraction, you will get an executable file pro USB setup exe. Click it to install and pass the UAC control on Windows. Follow the installation screens to set it up. Okay, we have installed the software and startup icon of the system should show on your computer now. The next step is to register the software. Before you start up the software, make sure you have connected the encoder into the computer first. Connect the encoder to the computer USB port. Make sure it has been connected, and if it connects correctly, it will give a few beeps. After connection, you can start up the software. By default, the login user is Ahmed and password would be emptied. To register the system, you will need to go to System Parameter Management menu in here and switch to the System Register tab. You will see that there is an encoder ID shows in here in red color. Send this encoder ID to your salesperson and let him apply the register code for you. Now I have already get the code and I will input it in here. After input, just click register. Okay, it is registered already.